Hi, my name is Blake Holt, and I work as a program manager on the Experiential Tours team with Living and Learning International. I'm excited to share with you about a domestic cross-cultural nursing program in South Dakota, where students will get to learn about rural healthcare from Indigenous elders and leaders. They'll also get to hear and learn about medically underserved areas and learn from local rural healthcare professionals. Your students will get to gain real-life, on-the-ground nursing experience in a different cultural context. This domestic program is more accessible than some of our international opportunities. Alongside the academic opportunities, your students will get to visit Mount Rushmore, the Crazy Horse Memorial, and hear from Indigenous leaders in the area. You'll get to hear firsthand stories of medical disparities and what healthcare looks like in rural communities. If you're interested in this program, reach out to us today. We'll see you in South Dakota.